I feel like I'm definitely gonna damage something. Let me do this really, really carefully. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning back to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone that showed me some love and gave me some feedback about my first video. It was such a nerve-wracking yet exciting experience, so I was really happy that I could share it with you all and that I didn't get ripped apart by the internet. Today, for my second video, we are going to be opening my very first IPSY bag. I know I'm super late to this game, but I figured why not finally subscribe. I think I've made my first IPSY bag profile like more than a year ago, and back then I wasn't as experienced with makeup and I was a little like iffy, so I think now that I feel like I have a more solidified routine that it's a better time to go ahead and hit the subscribe button for IPSY. So if you want to find out what's in my first IPSY bag and to see if I'm going to continue that subscription, then keep on watching. So for those who don't know, IPSY is a $10 a month subscription, so let's just get right into it. Why? Oh, okay. I see. Oh, okay. One of the items is not in the bag, so there we go. First surprise. One of my first items that I received is this brush. Oh my god. Let's open it up. It's by the Schmishglam. So it looks like that. It just looks like a nice little flat, fluffy, slightly tapered brush. The way it came, I know packaging, it kind of gets compressed. It needs some time to fluff up again. First impression, it already has some like hair out of place. It's okay. It'll be okay. So moving on to the bag. The bag I got this month is a little peach and yellow bag zipper with a cute little leather tassel. It says IPSY on the very bottom. For those who are unfamiliar, IPSY asks you in the beginning when you start your subscription what your preferences are, how acquainted you are with makeup. Are you more of a neutral girl or more a neon girl? Things like that. So the idea is to make a more personalized bag for you. For my profile, I did put that I was experienced with makeup, that I generally go towards more neutral, and that I also really enjoy skincare. So let's see if that stays true for this bag. So first thing I see is a MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. I'm always so nervous to see the type of bristles in mascaras, so okay, that's not bad. Not hate, but I don't really like the brushes that have like the silicone spikes and like, I don't know, I just like feel like it doesn't coat my lashes, so I'm excited to use this. I'll definitely give it a try throughout the week. All right, let's see what we have next. A Billion Dollar Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, it just looks like that. We're gonna open it. Ooh, okay. I'm just going to swatch that here. My first impressions, as you can see here, I had to swatch it twice because we had a rude interrupter, but I really like that it's a cool tone brown. I feel like a lot of the browns I get are sometimes on the warmer side and then looks like a little too red on my brows, or just doesn't go very nicely with my dark hair or my dark roots. So I'm pretty excited about using this and giving it a try. Reaching back into the bag, let's see what the next item is. So, ooh, okay, what is this? Eddie Funkhauser Glow Drops Luxe Light. Okay, it's a tiny tube. It looks like that. I'm a little nervous. I feel like I never had much luck with liquid highlight, but I guess we will see how this goes. Oh my god, the tube is like halfway full. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm squeezing it and nothing is coming out yet. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. As you can see there, I gave my hand like a good amount of sheen. It's in a little bit of like a rose gold color. I don't see myself using this like every day, but I can see myself definitely using it as a base if I want my powder highlight to stick and give it like a really big pop. But not my most favorite thing, but that's okay. Next, my very last item, it feels like. Okay, a bottle. It's from the brand Mint Pear, and it's a Rose Hip Night Serum. All natural, pure, and organic. It seems a little watery compared to what I would normally imagine would be a serum consistency, but let's open it up and see how it feels. Okay. Oh, kind of like a prescription bottle where you have to like press it down to open. Kind of like that. Okay, except I feel like now it's like Belle-proof, not child-proof. The hell? Okay. So the bottle can squeeze a little. There you go. Put a little drop, and let's rub that in. Ooh, it's very oily. Ooh, I don't know if I like that for, ooh, a serum. Oh, it smells nice, but that's like super oily. That's like so oily. What The directions are to apply daily to renew your youthful skin elasticity by finding free radicals while you sleep to wake up to a fresher, brighter, smoother complexion. Okay. Interesting. I don't know, it's super oily. I can see that if you have oily skin that you're not gonna like that, but I do have drier skin, so maybe I might like that, but I don't know. I'm just not, I don't think that would be my go-to. We'll see. I'll give it a try, but interesting. So that concludes the bag. Just to recap the things that I received in my August IPSY bag, I got this white fluffy brush here, MAC mascara, this brow pencil, these glow drops, and a night serum. Was it worth $10? Will I be keeping my subscription? I think yes. I think since it was my very first bag, I don't want to just judge based on what I received one time. I like to see trends, you know, let people show me what they've got beyond just the first go around. So I definitely see myself getting some utility out of this brush, the brow pencil, and the mascara. Not so much the glow drops. I could try working it into my like everyday skin routine if I just want a little bit more of like a pop, or even like maybe on like the lids, but that might seem like a stretch. The night serum seemed really oily, but I could give it a try, especially on days that I think I'm a little bit more dry. So that concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you are subscribed to IPSY, let me know in the comments what you got in your August bag. I'd love to compare. Let me know if you think your profile affects the type of items you receive in your bag. I'll definitely give it another try for a couple more months. I mean, $10, like that's like one bowl at Kava, right? I mean, okay, like I guess I could give one up just to try some makeup, but I don't know, food. We'll see. Thanks again for tuning into this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.